went to the store to get 2 things and you have your list and you go off your list, but you wind up with extra stuff? Yeah, I think that's what happened today.
And I already know I'm shining, staying in my own zone and I'm grinding, it's amazing. Gotta light up the house now.
My channel, my name is Miss Tan Marie. Welcome to my weekend vibes. So today we went to the grocery store. We went and picked up a little items for the week or just for a couple of days. I had a list that I was going to go by, but that didn't work accordingly. So let me show you what I picked up from the store. Picked up some pico de gallo. I went to Kroger. I got some fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna make a Thai pasta. Got some cut seasoning because I don't like to cut the onions. Lately I have been making smoothies in the morning, so with some coconut water. So I got me some strawberry mango pineapple blend. I got 2 bags of those. These are very good. And I add honey to it. I got some naan bread, the garlic kind. This tastes good with like an avocado toast. Put some avocado on top and you put your pico on top. It is a game changer. I usually have that for breakfast, or I have the smoothie and I have this for lunch. So today we're just gonna have salads. I'm gonna have like a chipotle bowl. So I got some barbecue sauce. I got 2 different kinds. This Minute Maid cilantro and lime rice for my chipotle bowl. I got some roasted corn because I like the corn instead of the beans. I got some mushrooms for my Thai pasta. I got some carrots to add to it as well. And that is so good. I'm gonna have to show you how I make it. I'm using a Thai paste along with the veggie broth, which is excellent. I have a garlic clove and I got 3 avocados because I'm gonna use a half today for lunch. I'm gonna make me a avocado toast, and I'm gonna use the other half for my bowl for dinner. And for my protein, I did pick up some salmon. And I have some chicken strips for twin. Got me some shrimp for my Thai bowl, for my Thai pasta. Some breakfast sauces. I want to try these. These were new. I really don't eat. I started eating healthy. I really don't eat any beef or any pork. I only eat fish, salmon, and sometimes I have some shrimp. But I wanted to try these and see how they taste. These are the Johnsonville hot honey flavor breakfast sausages. These were my favorite. The original were my favorite. So I said, oh, okay, this is the only one they had at the store. So I said I was going to try that. I got some sausage for some red beans. You know, we're from New Orleans, so you know Monday is Red Bean Monday. So yeah, that's what I picked up from the store. Let's get it together. Let's put it up. Today's video, I'm just gonna be cleaning up because I haven't been home in like 3 weeks. I've been in New Orleans, so I need to dust. I did pick up some things I did order something from Amazon for bathroom organization. Let me show it to you. if you haven't noticed already, we have moved. We moved to a new location, a new apartment complex. We have a larger room. We have 3 bedrooms instead of 2, so I don't have an office anymore. So I have my vanity in my bedroom, which my bedroom is very large, so it works. My closet is wonderful. That needs to be organized too, but I think that's a whole nother day because I want to switch out hangers and get some shelving for my tennis shoes because I can't really wear shoes for the shoes that I have, and get something to set my purses out so they can look nice. And I think I want to buy a arch mirror. I wanted to put it in my bedroom, but I think I'm gonna put it in my closet. So I picked up these organizers for under the bathroom sink. They were $17.99, and I think it'd be good to organize some things that we just have sitting in a linen closet in the bathroom because they don't have a medicine cabinet. So let me get started on what I am doing right now. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm about to go fix me some avocado toast to take me a break, and when I come back, we're gonna get started with the bathroom cabinet.
Shall we get to it?
Okay, so this is how we're looking. Easy way to organize your cabinet, which is great. And it slides out, so you can get the stuff that you put to the back. So I just have some perfumes back there, the boxes, some medication, my face wash, and stuff like that. So that's easy. The other stuff is just reachable up here, like my skincare. So yeah, and the same over here. I have stuff that he reached for every day, and I have his razors and stuff sitting down here, so in case he wanna grab some of his shavers and stuff. So I think this was a good investment. It was only $17 for the 2, which it does block. It's not in the way of the sink, so that is good. At least alleviates some space on the counter. So I'm gonna be updating the bathroom. We do have some pictures in here that I'm gonna move around, and I'm gonna change this into like a beach vibe theme too, something that we've seen when we were on vacation. And this is how the closet is looking. I'm gonna get some baskets. I'm not sure if it's gonna be wicker baskets or if it's gonna be gray or it's just gonna be the brown wicker baskets. And I'm gonna put those in there, and I'm gonna have some towels in there, some tissue paper. I'm gonna put my hair products that I'll be using, like my wigs and stuff are going on, and I give it all that, and I have a big basket at the bottom. So yeah, so that's how we're looking. Okay, let's talk for a moment. Have you ever just wondered about where you're supposed to be at this point in your life? You know, are you doing the things that you want to do, or you just living? You know, sometimes I just feel like I'm just living. I go day by day, and I'm doing what I need to survive. Some days I do what I like to do, but lately I just been doing what I need to survive. And I understand that coming from taking all my my cancer diagnosis and everything. So I'm trying to live day by day and be happy in the moments that I have. I don't think I'm selfish for some of the things that I do, you know, because right about now, I think I need to focus on me and what makes me happy and how I'm going to achieve those things while I'm still here. So I'm about to get back into my meditation journey so I can have a if I can have a clear mind. You know, I want my chakras to be all aligned, and I want my vibrations to be high, because I don't have time for nobody negativity. I don't. If I feel like you're negative, or I feel any negative vibes, or, you know, you have some things going on and I don't want to hear about it, I can block you. Because everybody have their things that they're going through. Sometimes you just need to be that ear to listen, and that's it, and let it just go through one ear and out the other. But sometimes people push their negativity onto you and makes you come out of character. Perfect example. Me and my son got into it. Not really got into it. He was just upset because I couldn't do something for him, which I always do. And, you know, sometimes as a parent, you know, or just in general, you get tired. You know, you just feel like somebody's just using you. And he's at the age to where he can make his own decisions and everything. They both can. All my children can. But you get tired of helping somebody out, you know. And he was very upset. So, you know what? I just blocked him. So now he calls my husband. He calls Twin. Or he, you know, if something goes wrong, I know that my other son will call me. But at this time, at this point in my life, I don't have time for the negativity. I don't have time for any of the drama or anything like that, because I have to think about me and what makes me happy and what's not going to cause me any stress, so I can live the life that I'm living, a healthy life, you know, if that makes any sense. Because I have changed my diet, which is wonderful, because I don't even have to take my blood pressure medication no more. So that is great for me. So I want to live in the moment, you know, enjoy the moments. But I do plan on doing some more traveling. I'm ready to go. Point blank and simple, I am ready to go. If you ever just feel like you in a rut, or that, you know, people with negativity, how do you handle that? You know, tell me how you handle that down in the description box below. Because some people, no matter what you do, or I want to say no matter what you do for them, they're not grateful. You know, they're not happy that you're doing the things you're doing, because you really don't have to do it. You really don't. But when you're trying to do the best by somebody and they're unappreciative, baby, you gotta let them be. Let them be miserable by themselves, because that's what it is. Miserable loves company. And me, I'm not gonna be your company. I'm gonna be by myself.